Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn Park, or near Baltimore Washington Airport, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Severn, Middle River, Riviera Beach, Baltimore Washington Airport, North Point State Park, Sparrows Point, Fort Smallwood State Park, Back River, Miller's Island, Glen Burnie, Dundalk, Catonsville, Essex, Severna Park, Parkville, Kearney, Perry Hall, Pasadena, and Arbutus. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed.